Hi everyone, my name is Brian Muema and I'm a student pursuing software engineering and I'm learning how to use the CLI, also known as the command line interface. So as I learn, I want to bring you along on my journey, and if you're new in tech or just curious about how the CLI works, then this video is for you. So the command line is a tool that lets you control your computer using texts. So this time, no mouse, no clicking, just typing commands. Definitely, it might look tough in the beginning, but once you learn the basics, it's actually a very powerful and a fun to use tool. For this video, we'll use Git Bash, which is a free tool, sorry, which is a free tool for Microsoft users, and I will paste or I will type the link to the exact page where you're gonna be able to download Git Bash for free. And once you install it, you will see a green screen just as we have here. And then this not a green screen, sorry, but a black screen, just as you see here. And the black screen is known as the terminal. So we'll go through a few commands and then we'll call it a day. So the first command that you're gonna use is the pwd. The pwd command. So we have pwd command. So the pwd command tells you your exact location or your exact path currently in currently uh, in the CLI. Okay. So the next command we're gonna use is the ls. So ls tells you uh, the total number of the all folders of files that are in the path that you are in at. So for example, currently what you see in my on my screen are all folders that are on the path /c/users/user. So all these are on my computer or are on that directory. So we're gonna also learn on how to open a folder. So how do you open a folder? You open a folder by pressing CD, then folder name. For example, in this case, I gonna use the folder name development, for example, documents or downloads. Let's have downloads, for example. Uh, downloads, for example. So sorry, CD download. So one observation you can get from the in this case is that I input the wrong name, and when you input the wrong name, the shell will tell you. So the shell, sorry, so the shell is has got all commands in this terminal. So every command, it's like you are unpeeling a command. You are you're peeling a command. Okay, so the shell tells us in this case that there's no such directory or file, the one that I had input earlier. So I had to redo and input the correct directory with a slash at the end. And so let's have pwd and see where exactly we are in now. So we are at c/users/user/downloads. We can also see the total number of files we have in our download. So we press ls. So you see we have all these articles in the download. So I'll to clear the screen, you can just press like something like clear, then the command to clear and have a clear to start working on a clean slate is here. So let's go back. You go back using cd, then space dot, then dot enter. Then let's see where exactly we are at. Then we are at user/users. Then let's have a look at a different folder. Then ls. Then let's create a folder. Let's create a folder called welcome. So how do you create a folder? You create a folder by simply using the command mkdir. So mkdir helps you to create a directory. So we're gonna create a directory that we will that will help us in this case explore further. So let's have a directory. So we have a directory and a file. So a file is inside a directory. So let's have a directory called welcome. Um, welcome in this case. I'll use capital. So mkdir, then welcome. Enter. So let's have a look at this. So let's have a look at whether um, welcome has been created as part as one of our directories here or folders. So let's see. So we have ls. So you see we have welcome here. Is it mkdir then welcome? It must be somewhere. It's here. Yeah, must be somewhere. It's here. Welcome. So enter. Let's open the welcome file, the welcome directory. So we have cd space, then welcome. Okay, then forward slash, then enter. Then we're gonna create a file inside the welcome. Then the file we're gonna name it as Brian channel. It's just an example. So how do you create a file? You create a file using touch, press touch, sorry, touch, then file name. So file name is Brian Brian channel. So the file we've created a file inside the directory welcome. So let's have a look at where we are at and how do we do that? We do pwd to see where we are at. We are at the directory welcome, and let's see what's inside welcome. We have Brian channel. You see it there. Yep. So, and that's it. So the last command we're gonna do is to delete a file and how to delete a directory. So in this case, we're gonna delete the file Brian channel. So how do you do that? We do that by having the command rm space, then the file name. The file name in this case is Brian channels, and then enter. So since we are in the welcome directory, let's have a look to see whether it has been deleted. We expect to see nothing because of course we've deleted it. So let's do ls, then enter. Of course it's no more because we've deleted it. So I'll clear everything. So ls, there's nothing because of course we've deleted it. So we'll also have the command we'll also learn about the command to delete a directory. And when you're deleting a directory, you have to be outside that directory. So in this case, how do we get? We are in the directory welcome and we want to delete it. So how do we get out? How we get out? We use the command cd, then space, then two dots, then enter. So let's have a look at where we are at the moment. pwd, we are at users. We are now not at the directory welcome. So we want to delete the directory welcome. How do we delete it? We use the command rm space dash r, then file name is welcome, enter. You see, it's now deleted. So let's have a look at it. Let's see whether we'll see it. ls, you see, we can't find it anymore. So one of the most important things to know is that you must be very careful with the delete command, because this is the CLI. Once it's gone, and you can't retrieve it um, once again. So these are just basics, but they've really helped me understand how the computer really works. And I'm still learning. I'll keep sharing everything I pick along the way, step by step. So there's no pressure. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with what you'd like me to explain next. Of course, I'll you can just share more, and let's use this platform to learn. Um, Thank you guys. Enjoy your journey.